Hello YouTube sewing friends! Today on Sew Aldo, I am going to test out a sewing gadget that I thought it is super cool and I wanted to share it with you and test it out if it actually will work. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. I was browsing on Amazon.com for sewing gadgets and I saw this product and I thought it was super cool, but I'm not quite sure if it actually will work. So I decided, okay, why not? It's only like $6.99, so it's not that expensive to test it out for you guys. I got this off of Amazon like I mentioned earlier, and this is not a sponsored video if you are wondering. And yeah, I'm just going to have the link to this item in the description box below. So it came in this tiny box and it doesn't even have label or anything. So when you open it up, so this is what includes in the kit. So the product that I'm going to show you is this thing here. It looks like a stapler. And yeah, it's super lightweight. It's plastic. It basically looked like a stapler. And so that's that. And it came with a teeny weeny tape measure and some needles right here and scissors. That is, yeah, that. And it also came with a bunch of threads with variety of colors, and it looks like it's in a bobbin. It also comes with this threader. I don't know what this is. I think it's like a threader, but I don't know what this white plastic thingy, I dropped it, plastic thingy for. I don't know what that's for, and there is no instruction. Yeah, we will find out if it actually will work. So let's go ahead and test it out. I'm going to give you a closer look of this handheld sewing machine. As you can see, it is super small. It's very small. It fits the size of my hand. I don't know if it should go this way or that way. So we will find out in a little bit. Okay, so since this is already threaded, I am going to test it right off the bat. Okay, so the thing is, there is no instruction, so I could easily mess this up. Okay, so I am going to fold it. So that's the stitch, and this is the front. It looks nice, but I don't know how are we going to knot it, because if I pull this, it's definitely going to unravel. So I don't know how to secure the ends. It will just unravel like that. So let's keep on sewing. Okay, so what is my verdict for this handheld sewing machine? I don't think it's worth it just because it is super hard to use. I prefer a regular thread and needle because it's so easy. You thread the needle and then you start sewing. This one, you really have to fiddle around with this little handheld sewing machine. So I don't think it's worth it. Although it's only like $6.99, I'd rather use the traditional thread and needle just because it's not going to give me that stress. I thought it was such a good idea though because it is super handy and small and compact. Just, you know, you can just hold it in the palm of your hand, but it's just so hard to use. That's just my own opinion. You know, I'm not gonna say I'm an expert seamstress. You know, I had a hard time figuring it out because it doesn't came with a manual. Maybe if they have an instruction how to use it, it's going to be a lot easier instead of just figuring it out on your own. So be aware of that. So I absolutely like the idea of it, but I'm not quite sure if I'm ready to trade the regular thread and needle for this. So that's it, you guys, and thanks so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give this a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and the notifications so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching again, and I will see you next time. Bye!